Welcome to our guide on buying your first home. Homeownership is a critical investment in your future, providing stability and security. Start by assessing your financial situation. Create a budget and note how much you can save for a down payment. Understanding your credit score is crucial. It directly affects your mortgage options and interest rates. Explore different mortgage types and consider getting pre-approved to enhance your negotiating power. Location matters. Research neighborhoods that suit your lifestyle and consider factors like schools and amenities. Choosing the right real estate agent can make all the difference. Look for someone who understands your needs. When house hunting, be attentive and ask questions. It's crucial to know what you love and what to avoid. Always have a home inspection. It's your opportunity to uncover any hidden issues before finalizing your purchase. Finally, understand the closing costs involved and prepare to finalize the deal. Congratulations on your new home! Remember these key steps as you embark on your journey to homeownership. You've got this.